Okay, have you heard the story about the Red Riding Hood? Well, have you thought that she is an innocent girl? Well, maybe you should show this short story. The forest was his home. He lived there so many times and he really liked. Always he tried to keep it neat and clean. While the wolf was picking up the garbage left by tourists, fell some steps.
Hi, Wolf. What are you doing?
Hi, I'm cleaning the forest. This is my home, so I need to keep clean. And you, what's your name?
My name is Red Riding Hood, and I'm looking for the flowers to my grandma because she's sick. So I didn't find them. You know where I found?
Okay, flowers, you can find flowers for that way, and you can find them.
Okay. And really, are you cleaning the
Yeah.
forest?
Yes.
And if I do this,
Hey, what are you doing? Oh my God! What's the problem? What's the problem?
Nothing. See you later, Wolf.
Oh my God! What happened with that girl? Jesus Christ!
Do you still consider that this little girl is innocent? Have you seen the way how she treated the wolf? This girl needed a lesson. So the wolf decided go to the house of the grandmother house and give a lesson to this girl.
I'm coming.
Good evening, Grandma.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine.
Are you the Red Riding Hood's grandmothers?
Yes. Why?
Listen, I have a problem with the girl. I was cleaning the forest in the afternoon, and she started eating the garbage and disorganized all things. She's a terrible girl.
Her? But she's a baby.
No,
Maybe she's kidding.
she's not a baby. She's a bad baby, Grandma. We have to give a lesson because we have a problem with her. Would you like to give her a lesson with me?
Okay. You have reason. I'm going to hide it.
Okay, we'll do it.
Okay. Let's go.
The wolf and the grandmother decided to give a lesson to Red Riding Hood.
Please.
Why? It is your granddaughter, Red Riding Hood. I brought you some cake and tambourines for you.
Okay. Come on.
Hi. Hi.
Hi. How
Hi,
are you?
Grandma. Fine, you?
Anyway,
Really?
long time without see you.
Oh, grandmother, what big ears you have.
All the better to hear you, my little girl.
Really? What big eyes you have.
All the better to see you, my little girl.
Oh, grandmother.
The girl was very unpleasant, and she started to hitting of the wolf. So the wolf was very angry, and the next insult of the Red Riding Hood injured him.
Okay. Oh, and what big teeth you have.
They are to be to eat you better.
Why? You're the wolf. Ah!
Red Riding Hood, wait, please, don't be panicked.
No, you are bad. You're the wolf.
Wait!
So appearances don't show the truth, and you never should hear just one version, because you need to listen the version of the wolf. if you always think that Red Riding Hood was a little sweet girl, you were wrong. Always you need to hear both versions, and then you can find the solution and the idea of what is the better for you. That's it.
Hi, well, we hope that you liked this short film. So, bye.
Bye. Well, have you heard the story about the red?
Red, don't be funny, please. Wait. Are you the grandma Red Riding Hooks?
Yes. Why?
Yeah. Listen, I have a problem with Red Riding Hooks in the forest. I was cleaning the house, the forest. Hey, wait.
Did you see? The appearance that are not the reality always. The wolf